In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit Microsoft Office attachments straight from Gmail. To get started, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Once Gmail loads, make sure you are looking at your inbox. This is where you will see your list of recent emails, including messages that contain file attachments like Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, or PowerPoint presentations. Take a moment to scan your inbox and find the email that has the Microsoft Office attachment you want to work on. In this example, you will click the email with the subject line shown in your inbox list. As soon as you click it, the message will open, and you will be able to see the email content along with any attached files. Now look inside the opened email for the attachment preview. Gmail often shows attachments as a small file card near the bottom of the message, sometimes with a preview icon or a file name. Click directly on the attachment preview to open it. This is the key step, because Gmail can open many Office files in a viewer so you can review them quickly without downloading anything first. Once the attachment opens, pay attention to the options along the top of the preview window. You should see tools that let you take action on the file. Click the highlighted option that appears in the attachment viewer. This is the control that allows you to move from simply viewing the file to editing it through the connected Office or Google editing experience, depending on your account and how your system is set up. If you are prompted to sign in or confirm permissions, follow the on-screen prompts so the file can open in an editor. Also, make sure pop-ups are allowed for Gmail in your browser, since the editor sometimes opens in a new tab. After the file opens in editing mode, you can make your changes and save them as usual so your updates are kept. And that is all there is to it.